When prospecting on LinkedIn as an insurance or financial advisor, it definitely helps to know what people are thinking, feeling, and sharing, right? Well, Greenwich Associates recently commissioned a study to better understand LinkedIn users and their views about advisors. So, in this video, LinkedIn's very own Matt Repking discusses some of the study's biggest takeaways for virtual financial advisors, including an absolutely shocking statistic about 31% of LinkedIn users. Check it out.
And we're happy to provide this research to anyone that'd like to take a look, because it's pretty top notch. But I think the research tells us several things about investor attitudes right now, and this is anywhere from like the mass affluent retail investor all the way up to ultra high net worth. A lot of consistency, though, in findings across those segments. So what we know, right, new investor accounts are, of course, way up across the board. We know that despite recent choppiness in the markets, that the long-term trajectory of asset prices continues to go up, up, up. And we know there's this massive generational transfer of wealth happening in this country and around the world. So all of that adds up really to huge opportunities for advisors. But three things in particular in the research that really struck us. 31% of investors said they are actively looking for a new advisor in the next 12 months. 31%. That is the highest that number has ever clocked in at before. What I found fascinating, though, is when you got under the hood of that, this concept of preference was really important and driving these potential changes in advisor relationships, meaning investors are actually saying, I just want to work with someone else. That actually was up there as the primary reason for shopping for a new partner. It was right up there with fees, which is typically number one. And then the thing that was most fascinating to me, 39% of investors in North America say that their advisor's social media presence is important to their decision. 39%. By context, in 2016, that number was 12%. So in 6 short years, it is nearly quadrupled. And I think my favorite sentence in that research is today's advisor is not our parents' advisor. And I think that is really just the way we got to be thinking about it and asking ourselves, are we acting like today's advisor, or are we acting like the old school advisors?
I get it. Successful financial advisor prospecting on LinkedIn starts with understanding who you're targeting, how they feel, and what they're looking for. So I want to know, which statistic is most surprising to you? Go ahead, tell me in the comments below. I'd love to hear it. Also, do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great financial advisor prospecting and marketing tips. See you soon.